welcome to the Headstruck, the 2019-2020 Headstruck review. So we're going to be viewing the new truck. So we're going to start out with this. So this right here comes out. This comes up, and this is how, like, on the bottom it just turns up and down, and after that, and then it starts getting longer. On this one, we're going to be doing the buttons before this mysterious thing. And so this turns on the lights. This does like the backing up noise. You see, like, when you're on the walkway, and then like some kind of UPS truck just comes into your driveway saying hello. And then this one is all the regular Headstruck honks, and this one is basically that loud noise. So this mysterious thing right here is like this. If I haven't told you already, this is a Headstruck, a tow truck. So if you're ever wondering what this is like, so it's like it tows, but then you see this, this goes down, and then for this,
please, audience,
this goes here. I mean, to be real, when I got these, I really wish they don't really work.
Well, they're both tow trucks. They tow.
So, basically, it's like this. Because I have to do it the wrong way because there's basically no other way. See, look, it just comes apart.
That's a good point. Yeah, that wasn't in Ethan's Headstruck review.
So yeah, it really doesn't make sense, and
Come here, let me talk.
of course there's something right here.
I'm the interviewer.
Here, and then for this, it's kind of weird, and
Okay.
yeah. So when you see this right here, this is, so these both are very different because one has the lights off, which is the opposite of everything. But when you do this, you see that normal UPS truck. Now for the bloopers.
Okay, it's time to. We're running out of space. It's time, Adam. It's time to say. Okay, you say thank you. Say thank you.